WordPress Marketing explained for WordPress beginners. One of the best things you can use for the success of your online business is WordPress marketing. WordPress got its start in 2003, and was used mainly by bloggers. Since that time, WordPress has become one of the most popular tools for building a website. Sure, bloggers still use WordPress, but so do a growing number of website owners. WordPress has changed internet marketing by making it easier for people to quickly set up a WordPress website. The WordPress platform is free and easy to install. You don't need to know any coding to be able to use WordPress, though some knowledge of CSS will allow you to make alterations to your site. However, there are so many WordPress themes, website designs, and WordPress plugins, add-ons that do different things for WordPress that you may not ever need to go into the CSS anyway. One of the main reasons for the success of WordPress is that it is open source. This means anyone can access the source code and develop products for WordPress. So, instead of just relying on the WordPress development team to figure out what users want, the users themselves can decide, and then create the WordPress themes and WordPress plugins that fit their needs. The flexibility of WordPress marketing makes it an easy choice for setting up a website. Just about anything you need for marketing purposes can be added onto the basic installation. Plugins are easy to find, and easy to install. Once installed, you need to activate them. But most plugins only require you to click a button for activation. There are some WordPress plugins that require you to get an activation key. But this is also a simple process. Even though it's open source, not all WordPress themes and plugins are free. There's nothing wrong with someone wanting to make something for all of the time and the effort they put into creating a good product, so don't assume everything will be free. Of course, being in business, you understand that no money is made until something is sold. And, just as you would like people to send you money if you provide something of value to them, so too should you be willing to make a small investment for something of value to you. There are a few basic types of WordPress plugins you should have for WordPress marketing. The most important is getting a security WordPress plugin. Unfortunately, because WordPress is so popular, it makes websites using WordPress a popular target for hackers. The good news is that there are plenty of plugins that cut off the typical exploits used by hackers. Search engine optimization WordPress plugins are also a good idea, as they will help your site look more attractive to the search engines, and thereby, in theory, increase your rankings when people are searching. The other type of WordPress plugins you will want to look into are those designed for e-commerce. Simply put, these are WordPress plugins that make it easier for you to sell whatever it is that you're offering. We hope you enjoyed this WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you would like to learn how to set up your own WordPress website, then click the link in the description below this video to get free instant access to our free WordPress tutorial videos for beginners.